everybody. Now I am conducting class 2 abacus class. Now we will start to practice from page number 37. I am recorded this class from my mobile back camera. So no mirror image. My right hand used for the ones place and left hand used for the tens place. So start to practice from the first one. Plus 17 minus 4. Okay. Plus 43 same thing, plus 43. So how will I do plus 43? We all know plus 50 minus 10 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2 minus 24 plus 30 minus 50 minus 4 plus 1 minus 5. So the answer is 32. Next 19 plus 40 minus 33 plus 42. Answer is 68. Next 66 minus 24. Minus 24, for minus 24 what should I do? Minus 4. Next plus 32 plus 50 minus 20 plus 2 minus 10. So the answer is 64. Next 26 plus 46. Sorry, plus 42 minus 22. Minus 22 what should I do? Plus 30 minus 50 minus 2 minus 5. So the answer is 41. Next 79 minus 44. Minus 44 what should I do? First, as we all know, minus 4 minus 40 how can I do? Plus 10 minus 50 minus 4 minus 32 minus 32 plus 3 minus 5 plus 10. So the answer is 13. 89 minus 28 minus 20 minus 8 minus 20 plus 30 minus 50 plus 36 plus 50 minus 20 plus 6. So the answer is 77. From 7 to number 12 you will start to practice by yourself. Then come to page number 38. Here we will start to do with practice from the abacus scale. So follow the abacus scale. How am I doing? Okay. This is the abacus scale as we all know, and we will start to practice using the abacus scale, page number 38. The first one is plus 17. Okay. So how can I do plus 17? Then minus 4. Minus 4 means plus 1 minus 5. Plus 4. Same thing with plus 4. How can I do? Plus 5 minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 3, what should I do? Plus 2 minus 5. So the answer is 4. The answer is 4. Okay. Now clear the abacus. Then start to do with the next one, number 2. Plus 6. Then minus 5. Plus 3. Plus 4. Plus 5 minus 1. The answer is 8. The answer is 8. Clear abacus. Now practice the next one. Plus 2. Plus 3. Plus 5 minus 2. Minus 3. Plus 2 minus 5. Plus 4. Plus 5 minus 1. Answer 6. Done. Clear the abacus. Come to the next one. 8. Minus 4. Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 2. Plus 5 minus 3. Minus 1. So the answer is 5. The answer is 5. Clear abacus. Come to the next one. 9. Start. Now we will practice using the abacus scale, page number 38. Okay. So for page number 38 what should I do? First we will clear the abacus scale, then do plus 7. Then next one minus 4. Plus 1 minus 5. Next plus 4 plus 5 minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. Answer 4. Okay, now clear the abacus. Number 2. Plus 6 minus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Answer 8. Clear abacus. Next one. Plus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. Then plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. Answer 6. Now clear abacus. Next one. 8 minus 4 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1. Answer 5. Next. 9 minus 6 plus 2 minus 1. Answer 4. Okay, again do once more. 9 minus 6 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 5. Answer 4. Okay, done. Now came to number 6. 62 minus 4 62 plus 4 minus 24. For minus 24, what should I do? For minus 24, minus 24 plus 30 minus 50 minus 4, same thing. For minus 4, what should I do? Plus 1 minus 5. Okay, done. Plus 6. So the answer is 48. We can see the answer, that is 48. Clear abacus? Do the next. 34 plus 23 plus 23 plus 50 minus 30 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 4 plus 1 minus 5 minus 41 plus 10 minus 50 minus 1. So the answer is, what is the answer? We can see the answer, that is 12. Okay. Number 8. 19. Then plus 40 plus 40 plus 50 minus 10. Okay. Minus 33 plus 20 minus 50 minus 3. Then plus 42 plus 50 minus 10 plus 2. The answer is, what is the answer? You can see the answer, that is 68. The answer is 68. Okay. Come to the next. Number 9. 46 minus 33 minus 33 minus 30 minus 3. How can we do? Plus 2 minus 5 plus 54 minus 3. So the answer is, we can see the answer, that is 64. The answer is 64. Come to number 10. 61 plus 4 plus 12 minus 4. So the answer is 73. So the answer is 73. Okay. Now rest of the number, like from 11 to 20, you will do by yourself. Now come to the next page, that is page number 3939. Okay. Everybody come to page number 39. We will practice using the abacus scale. Number 1. Plus 2 plus 4 minus 3 plus 3. So the answer is 6. Okay, clear abacus. Come to the next. Plus 9 minus 2 minus 5 plus 3. So the answer is 5. Clear abacus. Again next. Number 3. Plus 3 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4. Answer 8. Answer is 8. Clear abacus. Number. Now we will do number 4. 7 minus 5 plus 4 minus 2. Answer 4. Answer is 4. Now clear abacus. Come to next. Plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. What should I do for plus 4? See. Plus 1 minus 5 minus 2. Again I will do once more. Just it make a mistake. Plus 4 plus 1. Again plus 4. For plus 4 what should I do? Plus 1 minus 5. Okay, I once more do. There is something. Plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Now plus 4 minus 8. The answer is 1. Okay, did you get it? I am doing once more again. I made one mistake for question. There is a correction for page number from page number 39, number 5. See, plus 4, then plus 1 plus 5 minus 4, plus 4 minus 8. So the answer is 6. See, so the answer is 6. Okay, again once more I am doing number 5 from page number 39. Plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 minus 8. So the answer is 6. So the answer is 1. Now come to number 6. Plus 2 plus 6 minus 4 plus 3. So the answer is 7. So the answer is 7. Okay. Clear abacus. Again 9 minus 3 minus 2 plus 4. So the answer is, what is the answer? That is number, the answer is 8. Number 8 now. Plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Answer is 3. So the answer is 3. Number 9, 75 plus 75 minus 33. Minus 42 plus 6. So the answer is 6. Next one, number 10 plus 45 minus 14. Plus 6 minus 3. So the answer is 34. So the answer is 34. Okay. Next page is from page number 30. From page number 39, 40 I will do, and rest of the problems definitely you will practice by yourself, and definitely I will send these problems. Don't think that ma'am will not send. I will send the pages, from there you will get. Okay. Now come to page number 40. Okay. From up to page number 40 today we will practice. Plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 minus 1. So the answer is 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. Again I am showing plus 1 plus 3 again plus 1 minus 1. So the answer is 4. Next 7 minus 2, again minus 2, plus 4. So the answer is 7. Okay. Next plus 4 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. plus 2. Okay, again I am doing this one, plus 4. Number 3 I am doing number 3 once more, plus 4, plus 1, minus 2, plus 2. So the answer is 5. Number 4, plus 4, plus 3, minus 5, plus 1. So the answer is 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Next, number 5, 8, minus 3, minus 2. How will I do minus 2? Definitely plus 3 minus 5. Plus 5. Answer 8. Okay. So, children, you will practice from up to page number 40. Number 5 we have practiced. Next day we will start from page number 6. Okay. From page number 40. You will practice using the abacus scale for these pages, and we will do the next classes. Okay children, bye bye, stay safe and healthy.